Hi everyone, how are you all doing? Today I want to teach you how to make a pot roast, and it's going to be the simplest and most delicious meat you'll ever try. You have to try it, guys. You need to make this recipe. You have to make it and taste it so you can tell me if I'm right. All right, shall we get started with our recipe? Here, guys, I've already added the oil. I'm going to add, let me grab it here, the crushed garlic. Here I have a tablespoon of crushed garlic. 1 tablespoon. Let's wait for our garlic to brown. This recipe, guys, is very easy, but it's really tasty. It's not that watery meat full of sauce. No, this pot roast is different. You're going to like it. Our fragrant garlic is already perfectly fried and beautifully golden. Now let's carefully add our delicious meat. The specific cut of meat I personally chose, guys, is a premium top sirloin, which I truly believe is an incredibly flavorful and wonderfully tender cut of beef. And now let me grab another spoon. And now, to start, I'm going to add a dessert spoon of salt. I'll add it in here. And today I'm going to add some red pepper flakes, okay? My kids are going to complain because it's going to be pretty spicy, but I love this meat nice and spicy, guys. But if you don't like it, you don't have to add pepper, okay? Now, what am I going to do? I'm going to let this meat brown. I'll only put it under pressure after it browns. I'm not going to add water because, guys, it releases, it's a different flavor. When you let it fry without water before putting it under pressure, it's a whole different taste. It's worth waiting a little and doing it the way I'm showing you. All right? While it's frying, let me introduce myself. My name is Wila Leonel, and I'm from Wilsa's Kitchen. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do it now. Leave a like, hit the bell to get all the notifications. Every Wednesday and Saturday at 7 p.m., there's a new recipe on the channel. Okay? Follow us on social media, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, all right? But let's get back to our recipe, to our pot roast. See how it's releasing water? It keeps releasing water. And we're going to let it, look. See at the bottom, the little bit of water we're going to wait for this water to evaporate, guys, because the flavor, let's eat. The flavor changes completely when we fry it before we start cooking it. There's still a lot of water, so I'm going to wait for it to evaporate, and then I'll come back to show you when it's nicely browned before we add water to cook it under pressure. Guys, look, do you see that it's starting to fry? There's still a little bit at the bottom, okay? But it's already starting to fry. Listen to that sizzle. Can you hear the sizzle? I'm going to leave it here a bit longer just to let the rest of this water evaporate, and then I'll come back to show you how much water we're going to add. Guys, did you see how beautiful it looks? Look at those colors, but it's still tough. So what am I going to do now? The water has already evaporated. Look at how colorful it is now. What are we going to do now? We are going to carefully add precisely half a cup, exactly half a cup of fresh clean water. We will gently add precisely half a cup of pure water. I am now going to thoroughly taste it at this very moment to carefully check the exact salt level. My dear friends, let me taste it here to see if the salt is right. I think it's good. I won't add more, it will reduce. So what now? I'll put it in the pressure cooker. My God, every time I struggle to close this, guys. I'm going to put it under pressure. Once it reaches pressure, I'll count 10 minutes. Then I'll turn it off, open it up again to see how it is. All right? So in 10 minutes, as soon as it reaches pressure, 10 minutes. Then I'll come back to show you how it turned out. Guys, I opened the pot after 10 minutes, okay? Look at the color it gives. Look how beautiful this color is, but it's still a little bit hard. So we're going to repeat the process. Look here, let me stir it for you. Look how beautiful, look at those colors. Now I'm going to add another half cup of water. And let's leave it for another 7 minutes because it's almost ready. So we're not going to leave it for 10 minutes, just 7 minutes now, and then we'll open the pot. Guys, I left it for 7 minutes and opened it. Look at the result here. Let me tell you something. Here at home, my husband likes the meat a little firmer like this. I like it a bit more tender. He likes it this way. So I'm going to leave it like this. If you want it a little more tender, just add a bit more water, about half a cup, and let it cook for another 7 minutes. So now look, what am I going to do? I have an onion here, okay? I've sliced an onion here. I'm going to stir this onion in here. And another thing, I use top sirloin, but use whatever cut of meat you prefer. And I'm just going to let the onion wilt a little here. Guys, our meat is ready and the onion has already softened. It's actually funny, it almost looks like I added saffron because of how colorful the onion is. And I didn't add anything, it's just that the meat stuck to the bottom and formed that crust. That's why it got this beautiful color. So I'm going to let me add some parsley, guys. I'm going to add some parsley here to give it a bit of color and make our meat look even nicer. And it's ready. I'm going to put it here. Guys, this meat smells so good. It truly smells absolutely amazing with a wonderfully pleasant aroma filling the air. Here it is. Here, guys, look how beautiful it is. Look how beautiful it turned out. Look, 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 look. It looks great, doesn't it? Guys, I want to tell you something. I have a friend who just started a new YouTube channel. Her name is Anna Zambrin. Go follow her, guys. Follow Anna. She just started. She has a recipe up. She's posting once a week, and she has an amazing strawberry pie there that's super easy to make, you know? Her cooking is really uncomplicated. Follow her on Instagram too. There are tons of easy recipes there, okay? Anna, kisses and best of luck with your channel. Guys, if you liked our pot roast here, go ahead and leave a like. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do it now, right guys? Please look here, look. All right? Kisses everyone. Bye-bye.